Hey everyone, welcome back to MedVista. Today, we're diving into 7 essential stretches to help you feel refreshed and ready for anything. Whether you're new to stretching or a seasoned pro, these moves are for you. Grab your water, find a comfy spot, and let's get started. Begin by standing tall at the top of your mat, feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Feel the ground beneath your feet, rooting you into the earth. Take a deep, steady inhale, filling your lungs and lengthening your spine as you reach the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears and soften your gaze forward. This is your starting position, setting the foundation for a safe and effective stretch. As you exhale, gently hinge forward from your hips, not your waist, allowing your upper body to cascade down toward the floor. Let your arms hang freely and let your head become heavy, releasing any tension in your neck. Imagine your torso draping over your legs and don't force the movement. Just let gravity guide you deeper into the stretch. Notice the gentle stretch along the backs of your legs, especially your hamstrings, and the subtle release in your lower back. With each breath, feel your muscles lengthen and your body relax a little more. If you feel any discomfort, ease out slightly and focus on your breath. Remember, it's not important to touch your toes. The goal is to let your upper body hang and allow gravity to do the work for you. Keep your arms loose and your face relaxed, letting go of any expectations or tension. With every inhale, imagine your spine growing longer, and with every exhale, allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Feel the gentle elongation through your back and the soothing release in your entire body. If your hamstrings feel tight or your lower back is straining, it's perfectly fine to bend your knees slightly. This modification helps protect your back and makes the stretch more accessible, especially if you're new to this pose or have limited flexibility. Hold this position for several deep breaths, allowing your body to settle and your mind to quiet. With each exhale, feel a sense of release and relaxation, enjoying the gentle stretch and the calming effect it brings. When you're ready to come out of the pose, engage your core and slowly roll up to standing, stacking each vertebra one at a time. Take your time and let your head come up last to avoid dizziness. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, lighter, more open and relaxed. Now, let's move on to the next stretch in our routine. Come onto your hands and knees, hands under shoulders, knees hip-width apart. Inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin. Exhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone for cow pose. Flow between these two, syncing breath and movement to awaken your spine. Begin on your hands and knees in a comfortable tabletop position, making sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Take a moment to ground yourself, feeling the mat beneath your palms and shins. This is your starting point for Downward Dog, a foundational yoga pose that energizes the whole body. Now tuck your toes under and as you exhale, gently lift your knees off the mat. Begin to send your hips up and back, moving your body into an inverted V shape. Let your head relax between your arms and gaze softly toward your feet or your knees. Feel a deep stretch traveling from your wrists, through your arms and shoulders, along your spine, and all the way down to your calves and heels. Allow your chest to move gently toward your thighs, creating space along your back and sides. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers spread wide for stability. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and it's perfectly fine to bend your knees, especially if your hamstrings feel tight. Focus on lengthening your spine rather than straightening your legs. Press firmly through your palms, feeling the energy travel up your arms as you lift your sit bones high toward the ceiling. Imagine your tailbone reaching up and back, helping to elongate your entire body. Hold this pose for several deep, steady breaths. With each inhale, feel your body lengthen, and with each exhale, allow your muscles to release and open. Downward Dog is both a stretch and a moment of calm, helping you reset and energize for the rest of your practice. Begin in Downward Dog, pressing your hands firmly into the mat and lifting your hips high. Take a deep breath in, then as you exhale, step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a low lunge position. Make sure your right knee is stacked directly above your ankle for stability and safety. Extend your left leg straight behind you, allowing your knee to rest gently on the ground. Feel the stretch along the front of your left hip and thigh, and keep your toes untucked for a deeper release. On your next inhale, lengthen your spine, reaching the crown of your head forward. As you exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right, opening your chest and reaching your right arm up toward the ceiling. Let your gaze follow your fingertips. Engage your core muscles to support your lower back and maintain a long, straight spine. Imagine creating space between each vertebra as you twist. Breathe deeply and steadily, feeling the stretch not only in your hips but also across your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Allow your breath to help you deepen the twist with each exhale. Hold this position for a few breaths, enjoying the opening sensation. When you're ready, gently release the twist, return your hand to the mat, and step back to downward dog. Repeat the sequence on the other side to balance your body. From downward dog, bring your knees down and lower your hips back to your heels for child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat, arms extended forward. Feel a gentle stretch in your back, hips, and shoulders. Breathe deeply and let your body relax. Sit with legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hips, reaching toward your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Keep your spine long and bend your knees if needed. Hold for several breaths, letting your muscles release. Lie on your stomach, legs extended, tops of feet on the mat. Place hands under shoulders, fingers forward. Inhale, press through your palms to lift your chest into Cobra pose. Relax your shoulders, engage your core, and breathe into your chest. Hold for a few breaths, then release down. That's it! 7 full body stretches to help you feel amazing. Try adding these to your daily routine and notice the difference. Let us know your favorite stretch in the comments and subscribe for more from MedVista. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.